Tigali, the great one. This is my grandfather. As I was always saying, if you know me, you have to know my grandfather. My grandfather is helping people around the global world. But before we will start saying something, you have to try and take the numbers. The numbers are very, very important. These are the numbers. I will say Chief Tigali Aduro. Chief Tigali Aduro. The numbers are plus 233 247 102212 plus 233 247 102212. Yeah, I will see. Yeah, these are the numbers. Anything in a spiritual, my grandfather will help you with. If you want instant money, spiritual money, lotto number, travel issue, about green card, people's problem, if you are seeking asylum and you want to come out into the asylum, or you are going to court, if you want to win the court, or let's say if you want to vanish, as you are inside the car, you want to vanish, my grandfather can do it, or he will let me do it, because he is the one who trained me. I'm always saying, I get powers, but I have a grandfather. So this is the grandfather. Maybe those who are watching us, many people know my grandfather. Most of people too, they don't know my grandfather. But today, my grandfather is here, live and color. Seeing is believing. Shine your eyes. Let me tell you, you have to aware with the 419 people on social media. They are taking our videos to collect people's money, me and my grandfather. So today, my grandfather is here to show himself, to prove people's wrong. Those who are betraying people, he wants to show you something, to let you know that God is there, and ghosts too are also there. You understand me? This is my grandfather. Baba, yanzu me da ka fada mutane.
Ina son ga
musu. Cameraman na.
Ina son ka ga musu ne, ina son in yi wani abu. Su gani su yadda su believe kaman na ya yi musu. So ina son try musu ne su gani, kar wani ya shakka ciki kaman karya ne. Shi yasa gaya musu sunna wanda duka in ya kareta kai ya kareta ni ya kareta kanshi ya zo ya gani.
My grandfather said that today he is here. He wants to show you something for you to believe that he is the grandmaster in Ghana. He is the only one. Chief Tigali Aduro. He wants to show you something for you to believe that medicine is there. When we say medicine, we have medicine and we have medicine. If you say he is lying, then you are the one who is lying to yourself. Because if you say your country is too far, it's not too far. Somebody's country is far than you. Do you understand me? If you are going to America and you reach to Germany and you say you are tired, you not reach yet. So you know have to be tired. You have to continue your journey. So today my grandfather is here to approve or to prove those who are lying, those who are taking our videos to collect people's money, to do 419 people, to do 419 with people, betraying people, collecting people's money, that they are Chief Tigali Aduro. They are lying. They are not the one. Look at his face well, and look at my face. It's my grandfather. In this world, plenty people know us. They know what we can do. Don't let poverty kill you. You are not a poor. You are not a poor person. God didn't create any single person in this world to come and make a poverty or to come and make a poor. Never and ever. If you want to be poor, you will be poor. If you want to be rich, you will rich. So run and come to us. When you come to us, inshallah, whatever you want is spiritual, you will get it. If you want powers, more powers, if you want to build yourself, if you want to bath, if you want to eat something in spiritual, right, come to us. If you are sick, maybe you don't know the type of sickness that you are doing. They take you to hospital, doctors approve. They prove wrong that you are not sick. Meanwhile, you too, you are sick in your body. They put you in machine. Machine couldn't find the sickness. So that is why we are here. We are calling you to come to see something. Check the numbers. The numbers are plus 233 247 102212 plus 233 247 102212. Chief Tigali Adro. The numbers are plus 233 247 102212. Cameraman, check the numbers well. Let them see the numbers well. Because of the 419 peoples, we don't need anything from you. And you have to take note. We are not here to collect people's money, and we are not here to force people to send their money to us. Never and ever. We are not begging. We are not begging anyone here. You understand me? My grandfather wants to show you something. Baba, you don't go down musu.
Ina son gwada musu nuna musu kamar na iya maganganun da na ce maka ka faɗi musu na yi.
That what he told me that I should tell you, he want to do that thing for you to know that he's a real. It's not a fake people. We are not a fake people. We are real. We are not going to betray people as we are doing anytime. We are helping people in the world. So Baba, and you ask Yaki Kamangoshi.
Come.
Ndokoko.
Doko.
So that I should take the box cam. I will see. See it well. Cameraman. I will see. I will see it well.
Ha. Great. Inshallah. Dai kariya zai musu, kar ya yi aiki. In kuma gaskiya zai musu, ya yi aiki, ya musu.
What he is saying is, the thing that he is going to do, if the thing is true, something must appear in this box. But if the thing that he is going to do is not a real, then nothing will enter into this box.
Come. Yawa. What? Na je so. Bere.
Baba ya gama ko?
Ya gama.
To yanzu ya bayan ya kan yi.
To. Gaskiya yayi aiki. Ya musu.
The truth must be done.
To.
Have you seen?
Gaskiya yayi aiki.
Truth must be done.
Gaskiya yayi aiki.
Truth must be done.
Cire ka ajiye musu.
That I should remove what is inside the box. Have you see? This is what my grandfather do. You see? The numbers are plus 233 247 102212 plus 233 247 102212. Chief Tigali Aduro. Have you see? This is the work of my grandfather. Yeah. Have you see? See. Have you see? See inside. Have you see? See. Real money. Have you see? See. Have you see? See. We don't need anything from you. Never. And we are not begging anyone here. You see? Have you see? Cameraman. This is my grandfather's work. Have you see? See it well, oh. We are not doing fake work here. Never and ever. See, the numbers are plus 233 247 102212 plus 233 247 102212. The great Chief Tigali. This is my grandfather. Have you see? This is a real money. Have you see? See. real money. Anything that you need in spiritual, lotto number, spiritual money, pocket no dry, instant money, travel to abroad, anything in a spiritual, you try to contact us. Check the numbers and call. These the numbers. I will see the numbers. I will see. We don't need anything from you. But if you need a help, you just come to us. If you want to become rich in this world, come to us. You will become a rich man. Yeah. No one is a poor in this world. But if you want to be poor, you will become a poor. I will see. Real money, cameraman. Let them see it well. You see, €100, $100. Have you see? Yeah. See this one. What is it? £50. Have you see it well? Pound. Yeah. Anything is spiritual, you just contact us. The numbers are +233 247 102212 +233 247 102212. We cannot talk too much here because we don't have more time here. Anything is spiritual. If I didn't mention your problem, means we cannot do the work to you. Never. Maybe because of our time, we cannot mention any sickness here. But you just try to contact us. Let me mention the numbers again. +233 247 102212. In this world, any place, we are commanding the money. Any country, America, Egypt, South Africa, Germany, London, Japan, every place, Nigeria, Togo, Benin, Cameroon. I cannot mention all the countries, but any place that you are, we can command the money to appear inside your room. As you saw it, my grandfather done it. Thank you all. May God bless you. Good luck. Bye.